Rental goats, hotel toast and the man who brought a hot tub to TSA. Opening brief. What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Rattles, back with your daily swirl of travel truths and unbelievable updates. Today is April 23, 2025, and let me tell you right now, the travel headlines are cooked, toasted, and served with a side of what in the world. Let's get it. First brief. A man tried to check a portable hot tub at the airport. Now this year was different. TSA agents in Texas said a traveler rolled up with a foldable portable hot tub as part of his checked baggage. "Sir, what are we doing?" When asked why, he said he wanted to surprise his Airbnb host and start the party early. Look, I'm all for BYO vibe, but TSA ain't got a setting for jacuzzi mode. Needless to say, the tub did not fly. But it did end up on the TSA's Instagram with a caption that said, and I quote, "This is not the type of splash we allow at gate 12. I'm hollering it. Second brief. A European hotel now offers toast as a pillow scent. So there's this hotel in Denmark, real cute, real eco-chic. They recently announced you can now choose your pillow scent at check-in. Choices include lavender, eucalyptus, and, wait for it, fresh baked toast. Chilly, if I wake up thinking somebody making breakfast and all I get is a pillow dream, we gon' have problems. They say it's supposed to remind you of comfort and calm. I say it reminds me I skipped room service. But hey, if carbs calm your spirit, book that toast room. Third brief. New Zealand farm lets tourists rent goats to hike with them. Not a jeep. Not a bike. A goat. In New Zealand, one farm has started a rent-a-goat program for visitors who want to take a goat along on their hiking trail. It's supposed to help you slow down, stay grounded, and bond with nature, and apparently goats make great trail buddies. They're calm, curious, and photogenic, unless they decide to eat your snack stash. And no, the goats don't carry your bags. This ain't no donkey deal. You walk, they walk, your vibe together. Love that. Fourth brief. Dubai Airport tests AI facial scan boarding gates. No more showing boarding passes, some international gates are now scanning your face instead. Travelers still need passports, but lines might move faster, or creepier. Fifth brief. Toronto's transit adds travel DJ mode to subway cars on weekends. Select trains now feature curated music playlists on weekend evenings. No dancing in the aisles, officially, but if your stop comes with a vibe, hey, ride it out. Sixth brief. Bali announces tourist chill zones in temples. To ease crowd stress, Bali has introduced peaceful corners near busy temples where tourists can sit, sip water, and desandal their toes. Respectful and relaxing. Travel tip of the day. If your carry-on has wheels, test them on carpet before your trip. Some of y'all out here sounding like you dragging a microwave across gravel, and the plane ain't even boarding yet. Closing brief. Aight y'all, that's it for your April 23rd flight of unbelievable updates. I'll be back tomorrow with more stories you definitely won't find on cable news. And if you're trying to price check flights, book luxury resorts, or find train passes that won't leave you stranded, hit up breathtakinglagoon.com. That's the plug, and this was your daily lift off. Keep your vibes high, your snacks sealed, and your hot tubs at home.